Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook monetization suspended. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to open up a web browser. It could be on your computer or mobile device. And then just go ahead over to facebook.com/help/contact/ string of number. So I got to pause the video, take your time, type it down, and then you'll be landed to this exact page. Now, what you'll do in here is basically select either partner or content. Let's say there was just a problem with one of your video or content. Well, go ahead and select content right here. If the suspension is under your whole Facebook page, go ahead and select partner. All right. So for example, content right here, you'll have to add in your Facebook URL or Facebook page URL, and then the video URL. So go ahead and click on send, and then wait for it to be reviewed. Now, you will receive a notification under your business.facebook.com account right here, or Meta Business Suite. Just go ahead over to the left panel, click on notifications, and you'll be able to see it right here. Okay, if it says remove the content so that your ban will be lifted, well, go ahead and go to your content section right here. Go to your post reels, which got the restriction or suspension, and then go ahead and delete those specific videos or content. All right, and that is the simplest way to fix Facebook monetization suspended. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.